Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to change speed of hyperlapse video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is hyperlapse, so let's pick it. And here we are, now we can start recording this type of video by using the big button at the center. To change speed of the hyperlapse, we have to move to right corner button. When we pick it, we can stay on auto, so now the device should give us the best possible settings to our video, or we can pick between 4 to 64, so this is wide spectrum. And the really cool thing from the device is that it shows us which speed is good for which conditions we have when we want to record the hyperlapse. So for example, 64 is good for recording sunrises and sunsets. Maybe let me move to 16, good for recording clouds moving across the sky. And let me show you also 4, good for recording people being active. So you can pick whatever you need. You have also here the second button to turn on night hyperlapse. So I think this is also useful. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.